Labor Day in Jamaica. In 1972, the Prime Minister, the Honourable Michael Manley, gave the national holiday a new dimension by issuing an appeal to all Jamaicans to put some meaning into Labor Day by making it a day of voluntary labor.
Come and chat with Tania.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Mr. Manley himself spearheaded this movement by announcing that he would be working on the Palisadoes Road, clearing land and planting and generally beautifying the hitherto, barren strips of land. Following Mr. Manley's lead, clubs, groups, organizations all over Jamaica began to plan to give free labor to beautify public areas, repair and paint or build old people's homes, basic schools, community centers, churches. Some 464 projects were scheduled to be put into effect on that day. Up to 1989, the decision about Labor Day projects rested in the hands of groups and individuals. However, things changed that year as the Jamaican government intervened and introduced themes as a guide for persons to assist in Labor Day activities. The identification of a theme was meant to foster wider national involvement, but did compel citizens to be bound by the theme. Since 1989, Labor Day themes have included a wide range of issues such as health and the environment, youth and the community, respect for the elderly, road safety, and the planting of trees. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Information was provided by the National Library of Jamaica, Labor Day Jamaica Style. Also ensure you participate in your Labor Day activities planned in your area. Thanks for watching. Little more.